Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery back with another epic cake, the classic Black Forest cake. This cake has been trending lately, so of course I have to show you my vegan version. Now, I ain't gonna lie, this is one hefty project. From the authentic cherry filling to the chocolate bark decorations, the moist chocolate cake and vegan whipped cream, you will have to give yourself a bit of time to pull this off, but let me tell you, it is worth the effort. Just follow me along here with the step-by-step video tutorial and you will be on your way to the Black Forest in no time. So first, to make the chocolate cake recipe, now you can use your favorite chocolate cake recipe or you can use mine, and I have all the ingredients listed out for you on one neat page at gretchensveganbakery.com. So just click the links below to grab the printable version, and my recipe is actually a very simple one bowl mix where you just add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and just mix it up by hand. Go ahead and get the batter divided up into 3 7-inch cake pans and then into the oven. Now, next you're going to want to prepare the whipping cream, and this actually has to be done several hours in advance because it needs to be super cold for it to whip properly. So all the ingredients go into a blender or food processor and then into the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight before you whip it. Next, to macerate the cherries, just remember to reserve out about 8 to 10 of the best looking ones for the garnish to go on the final cake, and then the rest are going to get pitted and chopped up and into a sauce pot with some sugar and Kirschwasser. Kirschwasser is the classic liqueur that goes into every Black Forest cake. It is basically a cherry brandy. Of course, you can leave out the liquor if you don't want to put alcohol in your cakes. I totally get it, but then it's just sort of a chocolate cherry cake and not a true Black Forest cake. So okay, I'm just simmering it all on low to dissolve the sugar, and this could actually be done the night before with no heating necessary. You can just put the cherries and sugar and Kirschwasser into a bowl and let it all meld together in a bowl overnight. The next thing to do is to make your chocolate bark, and you will have to temper your chocolate in order for it to set up properly, and I do have a whole full-length video tutorial for how to do that. Again, all the links are below for the recipes and how to temper chocolate with a video. So you guys definitely want to click through to my blog to check out everything. It's just way easier to get it all in one neat place there. Oh my God, how dare you make me go to your blog? Alright, so once the chocolate is tempered, you can spread it out onto a parchment-lined sheet pan, let it set slightly, and then you're going to roll it up from the short end and place the whole thing into the refrigerator to set the rest of the way, and actually until you need it. Once you do, you're going to just unroll that paper and your bark pieces are going to come apart perfectly. At this point, your cake should be baked and fully cooled to cold, and now you could just get to building the cake. The cake layers are soaked with the juice and the brandy from those cherries, a layer of whipped cream, and I'm really sorry about the blown out extreme white of this video. I didn't realize it was so blown out until the playback on the edit, but you get the idea. Each layer gets soaked with cherry juice, then whipped cream, and then the cherries. And then the entire cake is iced with the remaining whipped cream. Now, it's not really important to ice a cake like this perfectly since the entire outside is going to be decorated with that chocolate bark. The top gets rosettes and fresh cherries and then chocolate shavings to finish it off. So as you can see, this is a stunning cake that actually looks like it took some time to make. So not only will you wow your friends with this beautiful presentation, but once they taste it, well, it just speaks for itself. I really hope you guys are gonna go for it and make this cake. So don't forget, all the recipes, ingredients, and written instructions are for you at gretchensveganbakery.com. As always, there is so much more information on my blog than I can ever cram into an 8-minute YouTube video. Oh my god, you talk too much. Go make a cake. All right, until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.